Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I will show you what Valentine gift I will give to my husband. I brought this beautiful and pretty wooden photo frame from Dollar Tree last week. Let's start it. First, I will do some creativity on wooden photo frame. I picked clay and start doing ribbon art with clay and mirror. I thought it is very easy to do, but no, I was wrong. When I started doing it, it took lots of time, but it's okay. This is for my loving husband. I chose red and white color for frame. I did white color between the border of the frame and red color on clay. It is look amazing. Now it's time to paste the mirror. I choose diamond cut mirror and place it one by one. It's look great. I think this is the perfect gift for him. Now final step to color the edges point of the photo frame. I choose white color and start coloring on it. Now it's time to choose the picture for frame. I have three pictures, which one I have to pick. I think this looks perfect for it. I have to cut the photo little bit from left and right side. This line for my YouTuber family and friends. Thank you so much for being you. I love you, friend, and there is nothing I could not do for you. Happy Valentine's Day. Here's to a Valentine's Day filled with a good wine, good food, and especially good friends like you. This photo frame looks amazing. My husband love it, and this gift is perfect for him. Thank you guys. I hope you all liked my video. Please comment me.